Hello friends, welcome back. I'm Deepak and I'm gonna show you how to draw a diagram in AutoCAD. So let's go started. This is our block diagram. Here we can show that the base is 42 cm and the height is 10 cm and main height is our 48 cm. And in the height we can draw the 12 centimeter base. And in the width is 4 cm and the middle base is our 42 cm and the second on inner base is 34 cm. So the diagram is shown in the display and now we go to the our AutoCAD and first drawing the diagram. So I just select the line tools and click point on the screen. Then we just draw the our 42 centimeter, which is shown in our diagram, and I just click here for this. We just show that if we just move slide forward or backward, uh, the line size or amount will be shown in the figure. And another way, we just draw the 42 cm and I just use the 10 centimeter. And roughly I just do it. And after that we just go to the 8 centimeter. If you draw the line down, then you can see that a cross mark is showing on your diagram. If you joint it, then you can see that the line is completed. I just do it, and if you show the direction, you just press E for showing the 3D view. Here you show the Z plan, Z axis, and when you use the before, then you can see the previous view. Here you can draw the line in X and Y axis, and when you use E, then you can see that the Z axis also. So for that we just see here a diagram which are drawn by me, and another way I just draw it, and for that if you change the axis, you can move forward or downward or backward. I just change the side center of the our X and Y axis. I just move it to one position to another position. You can change it or you can leave that, or zoom in or zoom out. You can scroll the mouse key so that the image can be zoomed in, and another and you can zoom out the for again draw the diagram. You just click on the line and then start drawing. I just press 8 centimeter down, and after that we just press 34 centimeter and left click, and after that we just move upward and press 8 centimeter, and after that we just press 4 centimeter. For 4 centimeter you can see the background line, and then we can exactly show that how the long distance is covered, so that the line cannot be more or less. For this, if you having the after that completing the diagram, if you having the extra line, just press escape so that the extra line will be cutted, and after that you can for further you can complete the diagram. We just use the for that here we just draw the background, and after that we can draw the height. So I just again press the line and then press here. So in the press is the background and press here. I just choose the middle portion of the line. So I just draw it in I just go to upward 5 centimeter, and again draw the middle line of the uh, diagram. Here the middle line length is 42 centimeter, and after that I just press escape button, and again I just press line enter. Here some also other diagram also present, we can use that, and for this for further use I can again press the line button, and again I just press here. I just draw the middle. I identify the middle portion, so I can set the middle as 21 centimeter. So in 21 centimeter, I just left click that, and then I just move upward, and moving upward I just see that there is a limit that is I need 48 centimeter, but the problem is that we cannot find the 48 centimeter because the diagram is bigger and the screen is small. So in order to avoid these types of problem, we just minimize the screen, or you just drag the diagram from here to another. For that we just after zoom in, I just zoom out. So I just for increasing the screen we just zoom out, and after zooming out I just again press the line enter, or let's say the line, and then after that we just select the middle portion of the diagram, and after that to just draw the 48 centimeter, right, and press enter, and then press left click, and after that we just draw 6 centimeter left and join the diagram. I just press 6 centimeter. Here we can use only the mouse for drawing the diagram, and after clicking in the main diagram I just press escape for leave, and again completing the other portion of the diagram I just press line enter, and here we can select the amount that is 6 centimeter and press enter, and again join the diagram. Here we will complete the diagram and press escape for further, and here our diagram is completed. So you can see that the diagram is completed, but if you want that I have the another method to doing this, because here you can use only the mouse key. For using another way I just draw it in another method. So this is the second method I can do it. I just enter that line enter, line line enter, okay, and then select a point in the screen. I just select here and draw that 42 centimeter. Here we can type that 42 centimeter in keyboard and press enter. After that automatically it can show the diagram. I just doing randomly, and then we can take a angle on that, or you can in angle you can enter the amount, and after that the angle will be so. Here we can do another way also. So I just erase it by using Ctrl Z. After pressing Ctrl Z, the total diagram will be. Again I just press line enter, and after that select a point. After that we just write 42 centimeter, that is our background length, and after that we just press 10, so that here we can find exact measurement in this. We are not more, not less. And after that we just press 4, enter. And after we just write 8 by using keyboard. And then we just press enter. And after that we just having second base, that is 32 centimeter. I just draw the by mouse and press enter, that is 32 centimeter. And again 10 centimeter, and write 10 centimeter. After that our 4 centimeter. And after that we just see the box type diagram, which is so that this is the point where we can connect. So after that we can for the extra line we can left click on the mouse, right click on the mouse and press close. The background is completed. After that we can create our height. Before that we can draw our middle portion. So I just press line enter. Here we can use the keyboard. So I just press here, and again I draw the middle portion, and I just enter, that is 21 centimeter. That is the middle portion of the height. And after that we just pressing here, and after that we just move upward and right that is our 48 centimeter, which is our height. And after that automatically show that what is the height of this is. And after that we just press 6 centimeter for this and press enter. And after that we just press after that we connect the diagram in the base and press enter, or press left click on that. And for extra line we just press right click and press close button. For that we the extra line is erased. For extra line is showing in the diagram, we just left click on that, and after again right click and then press erase, so that the single line can be deleted, not the total diagram. So again I just press line enter, and then we just go to our middle line where the box is present. Again I just press 6 centimeter, enter, and again join the diagram. I just after joining the diagram, the diagram is completed, and extra line we just close it. For extra lining we just press left click and then again right click, erase button. And for the middle portion again I press the line enter, because after escaping after closing all the command are erased from the AutoCAD. So I just press line enter and press I just put the amount, that is 5 centimeter. Again the baseline is drawn. Here it is showing the after at the crossing point just please click OK, so that the 42 cm is showing, and press enter. For extra line same procedure are following, that is closed. So in this second method we use the simple way, or if you using the extra line you just again see the erase button and click on that. In two methods you can do it in easy way. So thanks for watching, and for that we can use the another tool, that is pan. If you select the pan you can move the screen from here to there, but because if you need 10 to 15 centimeter, then you can use this. So thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.